This tool works on iOS, Android, and Windows without any app. Open the TikTok app or use your browser and visit tiktok.com. Find the video you want to download. Tap on the Share button and select the Copy Link option. Now open a new tab in your browser and visit tikzip.com from mobile or laptop. Paste the copied link in the text area. Hit the download button. Select the download quality and format according to your needs. Now the video is watermark free under 60 seconds. Like the video if it helped you.